Good morning, student. Today I want to talk with you about the schedule for next fall 2020. It will be on August 17 until December 18, 2020. And this is the remote class, so that's why we study at home. And everything for communication, we use the Canvas, email, everything I can contact with you by email, communication by YouTube, Zoom, and any technology I feel that's easy for you to follow the course. So basically we have the remote class for Architecture 110 and for 2020 I have another class for Architecture 113, but I will talk with you later. Today I will focus on Architecture 110, the schedule only. One more time, the course will be start as August 17 and the end from December 18. However, this is the class for remote class, so that's why you don't need to meet with me in the campus. And the way we communicate is email, Canvas file, and I will select the best one for you, either the Zoom or the one on the Canvas right now for video. So basically you read the book at home, do the quiz at home, presentation at home. If you have any question, you can email me or contact me by any way fastest one. So on the schedule I divide like this. The first one I need to remind you the textbook. This is the Architects, the third edition from Roger Lewis. And you can contact with the bookstore from Cerritos College for free delivery. They have the option free delivery right now, so contact with them about that. And this course is remote class Architecture 110. It is Introduction Architectural and Environmental Design. This course is included for 36 meeting. And again, this is remote class, so on of the meeting it's on Tuesday, Thursday, 4:30, 5:30 by email. So you just email for me for make sure that you on attendance, remote attendance, for you get the credits that day. And after that, you read the book, do the review question and answer, email back for me. Everything you do, it start from Tuesday, Thursday, 4:30 to 5:50, and after that you can do at home. And everything you do for just reading, answer my review question, and I will announce for the quiz. And finally we have presentation and final. I will show you very quick about presentation maybe this week, for make sure that if you have time right now on summer, you can thinking about the presentation for the fall semester if you have time. And if you're interested, you can email me anytime question about presentation. Okay, so one more time, this is the remote class, so that's why remote attendance, email, communication by any methods we can contact with you. For example, you can email me, you can watch my channel in YouTube, for I announce everything on there, reading, quiz, and presentation, information, direction, everything I will post in Canvas files. But right now temporary, the Canvas isn't open for me, the class Zoom, so that's why I cannot do everything on the Canvas temporary right now. But I think that's a couple more weeks they will open and allow students register ready with the class. You can open Canvas, and I will announce with you when the Canvas open, and you can open the Canvas to see everything I want to put on there for you to do in the course. So basically right now temporary open Happylife-truelife YouTube. This is my channel, and you can see on up information I post on there for you can review it right now. Okay, so one more time, this is the textbook. You need to order in the bookstore and contact with the bookstore, for they have the free delivery program, so you can contact with them. So basically on the schedule, I have the schedule right here. We have 35 time conversate together about the lecture. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, not 3, skip 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chapter in the book for reading. And the other one, if you didn't see the number from the chapter, that means the one I prepare for you from many conference book. It's not belong on the book I present to you, but belong to my experience, my working and on of interesting topic I want to share with you. So that's why I put on there. So on the first column, you see that's the order. I mean the number. You can see this one. This is the number on the meeting Tuesday, Thursday, remote attendance. And after that, you see the date. It starts from 17, but our class is start from Tuesday. So the school starts 17, August 17, but the class starts Tuesday. So that's why we have 18, and continue with that until we have the end of December 15. I think this one should be December. This one incorrect, but actually this is December. I will correct later. So basically, this is the chapter you need to follow and read before that day. For example, Tuesday on 18, you can open the book at chapter 1. You read this one before the time is 4:30. Because after each chapter, I have the review question. You need to answer the question and email back to me. So that's the way I work. And I hope you can follow that. So from now, you can try, if you register already, you can try to email me for make sure that we go through on the email. And after that, when the canvas open, you try to open the canvas. And I used to post on of the reading on chapter on the files in canvas. You can open there. On of announcement on about the quiz, about the activity from the class, I post on both canvas from school, and after that in my channel Happylife-truelife YouTube. So this is the lecture you need to follow, and you see that we have a few quiz. The first one it dropped on September, the second one is on October, and the third one is on November. That means each month we have one quiz. Okay, and on the quiz I will present with you later, but it's very easy. And again, the quiz is also remote quiz, so you can do at home and email to me on the day I give you. Okay, and after that we have the presentation and the final. So basically, presentation, if you do early in September, you can get up to 200 points. If you do a little bit late, it's around October, you get up to 190. And if you do later than that, you get 180 maximum. So the presentation I will share with you in another video clip about the presentation. I give you some example from previous students, so you can look at this. It's some kind like I have the guideline for you how to do. And if you're interested in this summer and you feel boring with just stay home about COVID-19, you can start to do right now. Just thinking about the topic, how to do, and just email me if you have any question. About the rating, if you look at this, we have 3 quiz, and one of them is 100, so you got 300 projects. 200 projects, that means presentation. And after that, the remote attendance, email attendance on Tuesday, Thursday, you get the credits, 150. Final, you got 150. So totally, you got 800. So now at the scale, if you got from 90 to 100%, you get A. 80% up to 90%, you get B. C, I give you 65% only until 70%, 65 until 80, and you get C. And if you lower than that, and you get D, that means 50%, and you get D. And less than that, you get F. So in my history, a lot of students get A, B. Few of students get C if they're not really trying the best. I didn't fail any student from my class. However, D I have long ago, I have 2 students only, and the rest of them got A and B. C is very rare, but sometimes So that's why if you look at the grading, it's very easy. If you got presentation, the project's presentation, you can get 200, up to 200. And after that, attendance remote. Just Tuesday, Thursday, you email me and answer the question. Review chapter, you get the credit from that, and totally 150. Final, we got 150. And 3 quiz, you got 300. So total, you have 800 maximum. Okay. So this is basically for the schedule. So now you go with the second one. This is the one you need to read over. This is the policy from the school. Before you register, what you learn from this course, I put the student learning outcome right here, and also I put the website from you can contact with the school as you need it. And on of the policy right here, I put the remote class in this fall 2020. That means this fall we need to use for the remote class. So that's why some of the policy like present 5 minutes before the lecture, something like that, we not apply for this fall. So I put right here a remote class for this fall 2020. Later we will use the regular policy. However, from now temporary we're not in the campus, and everything we use for remote class, and so that's why this one not apply for this fall. Finally, if you have some kind like disabled student, you have the SPS program, you need to contact with me, or you need to email me the form with the signature from counselor said that you have you have something DSPS and you need me to help you. For example, you need something for study better in this course, just show me the paper, email me. So that's why I can see, I read over that, and I know what I need to do for you. Okay, basically this is the policy for all of the students need to follow in the regular campus class. But now temporary, the campus closed for this periods of time. Just few of the class, they have activity and they need to have the limit student meet together in the campus. The rest of them is remote class. So we are remote class, so that's why some of the policy not apply for this fall. Okay, I think that's it for the schedule, and I have few things to share with you about presentation. This is 200 points for the course. So the guideline is like this. The first one, you select the interesting topic. For example, you would like to design a dream house, the studio, the theater, the fitness, the restaurant, the museum, just thinking about the topic you feel interesting with, and focus with us. The second step, I show you how to create the bubble diagram. And the third one, you create, after you have bubble diagram, you create the simple floor plan. And number 4, you create elevation after you have floor plan, usually exterior or interior, where you feel that is very good looking on your topic. And number 5 is create a materialist. I need minimum 5 of different kind for material. For example, you use wood, you use cement, you use glass, you use stone for your house, and just click on there. Okay, so this is very easy. I will show you a few of example from previous student, and you can look like the reference for you. So all of you can use the software to support for the presentation. I open for all of you to open. You can use any kind from the software to support for your presentation. You can use the PowerPoint. You can use Revit, Architect Revit, AutoCAD or SketchUp or everything. I mean, every technology or the software support for presentation, just show me. I'm not limited on that one. So I will publish some of presentation from previous student or the previous course from the spring 2020. You can look over all of them and you know what you need to do. Okay, and later on that I will show you how to do it now, because the course is not open yet. So that's why you can email me if you have any question about the presentation. I can share with you the way how to do. If you want to start right now, it's very good. because if you don't waste your time. If you have time, do right now. In the fall semester, you have more time to focus in the other things. Okay, so I recommend you just email me the first one, practice, for make sure that me and you can go through from email. For later it's easy for you contact with me on in the fall semester. The second one, you can start to do presentation right now and save time for the fall semester. Okay, any question, email me on Canvas email. If you have the student with Cerritos College, you have opened the Canvas. If you have any question about Canvas, you can ask the TS student help and at cerritos.edu. They will have you how to open the email on Canvas. After that, you can email me. I hope that you do very good in this one if you are own student. Okay, thanks so much for follow my instruction in this remote study from beginning to the end. That's means step by step. Just follow my guideline, my information. I post in Canvas file, or I post this on Happylife-truelife YouTube. You can follow that and do on up instruction from step until the final. Okay, so one more time, this is the textbook for 110. If you forgot, the name is Architect, the third edition from Roger Lewis. And the time is Tuesday, Thursday, 4:30, 5:50 p.m. remote class, so that's why you just email me. Schedule, and we have quiz, we have midterm, we have final, and we have presentation. Okay, so this is fill up the address you can contact in case you need more information about the school. This is the address, this is the phone number, this is the website, so you can contact if you need more information about your education, so you can go with that. If you are my student, that means my previous student, you studied with me before, you should know that see you in parking lot is the slogan from me and for students. So that's why when we talk with this sentence, we can smile and we feel relaxed, and you feel reduce the stress in the class. So that's why I usually say see you in the parking lot and the students smile. So that's why I think that's very good for all of us. So thank you so much for watching this video clip, and this is for schedule for Architecture 110. This is the schedule for Architect 110. I post right here. The reason because right now Canvas temporary not open yet, so that's why I guess you can open this one to see everything before the fall semester coming. One more time, thanks again for watching the clips, the video clip, and hope that you can visit this one anytime when you need it while you're waiting for the Canvas open. Of course, when the Canvas open for all of you, and I will post everything on there, look like I post in here. So you have both way to watch and to follow on up my announcement about the course. See you soon. Bye bye.